Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through the process of removing your Shopify store from your Zendrop account and connecting a new one, whether you're transitioning to a new store or simply refreshing your setup. This guide has got you covered. Start by accessing your Zendrop account. In the top right corner, you'll find Account Settings. Click on it to proceed. You'll be redirected to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Apps section and locate the Zendrop app. Before removing the app, select your preferred location and optionally choose a reason, then hit Delete. Return to your Zendrop account and refresh the page. You'll be prompted to connect a new Shopify account. Simply paste the URL of your new Shopify store and click Connect and Install. Once connected, your new Shopify store will be integrated with Zendrop. It's essential to clean up any remnants of your previous store to ensure a fresh start. Head to the My Products page and remove any products imported from your old store. Now you're all set to import new products to your freshly connected Shopify store. Enjoy the seamless experience of managing your dropshipping business with Zendrop. Ready to take your dropshipping venture to new heights? Follow these steps to effortlessly manage your Shopify store on Zendrop and embark your e-commerce journey with confidence. Happy dropshipping, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.